Are you fascinated by the world of precision manufacturing? Today we're diving into the fundamentals of CNC machining, an essential process for creating high-quality, precise parts used in industries from automotive to aerospace. CNC, which stands for Computer Numerical Control, refers to the automated control of machining tools using a computer. CNC machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing, enabling the creation of complex shapes and parts with unmatched precision. From simple prototypes to large production runs, CNC machines have revolutionized the manufacturing landscape. At the core of every CNC machine is a control panel that communicates with the machine's spindle and tools. Here's how it works. 1. A digital design file, often created in CAD software, is translated into machine code. 2. This code directs the machine's movements, cutting, drilling, or milling with extreme precision. 3. The spindle, which holds the cutting tool, rotates at high speeds, shaping the material according to the programmed instructions. The CNC machining process can be broken down into a few key steps. 1. Preparation, loading the material and ensuring the correct tools are installed. 2. Programming, uploading the machine code and configuring settings like speed, feed rate, and depth of cut. 3. Execution, the machine starts working on the material, cutting it down to the desired shape. 4. Inspection, finally, parts are measured and inspected to ensure they meet specifications. Precision and quality are crucial in CNC machining. Here are 4 factors that can make or break your results. First, material choice. Different materials from aluminum to titanium require different cutting speeds and tooling. Second, tooling. Using high-quality, sharp tools reduces wear and improves surface finish. Third, software. The right software optimizes tool paths, reducing waste and improving accuracy. And finally, machine setup. Proper alignment, calibration, and maintenance of the machine ensure consistent quality. Now let's get practical. Here are some tips to enhance your CNC machining results. Tip 1. Always check tool wear before starting a job to avoid unexpected breakages. Tip 2. Use coolant or lubricant to extend tool life and achieve a smoother finish. Tip 3. Run a test cut with a softer material if you're unsure about the settings. This reduces the risk of costly errors. And tip 4. Regularly calibrate your machine to maintain accuracy and prevent deviations over time. CNC machining is both an art and a science. By mastering the basics and applying these expert tips, you'll be well on your way to producing high-quality, precise parts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced machinist, there's always something new to learn in this ever-evolving field. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of manufacturing and engineering. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.